The internet is a giant worldwide network of computers all connected. Think of it as a global spiderweb linking billions of devices, from supercomputers to your phone. It's the invisible force that powers so much of our daily lives, quietly working in the background every time we send a message, look up a fact, or watch a video. No matter where you are on the planet, the internet helps you reach out and connect with people, ideas, and information in just seconds. It's not a place or a cloud, but a massive web that lets us share information instantly. Whether you're chatting with a friend across the street or video calling someone on the other side of the world, the internet makes it possible. It's the reason we can send photos, stream music, and even play games with people far away, all in real time. It's like a library, post office, movie theater, shopping mall, and classroom all in one, changing how we learn, work, and have fun. The internet brings together all these experiences, making them available from the comfort of your home or even on the go. It's a tool for creativity, discovery, and staying connected with the world around us. When you send a message or picture, it's broken into tiny packets that travel across the network, finding the fastest path to their destination, then reassembled at the other end. These packets zip through cables, bounce between servers, and navigate a maze of connections all in the blink of an eye so your information arrives quickly and safely. The internet is a physical system of cables, computers, and clever rules, science in action, not magic. Under oceans and cities, miles of cables and powerful machines work together, following special instructions to keep everything running smoothly. It connects us, informs us, entertains us, and is one of the coolest examples of science in our lives. The internet is always growing and changing, opening up new possibilities for everyone, everywhere. To access the internet, you need a device, like a computer, tablet, or smartphone, each with the hardware and software to connect and display websites, videos, and games. These devices are designed to help you interact with the digital world, whether you're watching a movie, chatting with friends, or learning something new. Each device has its own way of connecting, but all of them rely on the same basic principles to get online. But you also need a connection, provided by an internet service provider, ISP, like Jio or Airtel, who bring the internet to your home via cable or wireless signal. The ISP acts as a bridge between your home and the vast network of the internet, making sure you can reach websites, stream videos, and play games without interruption. Without this connection, your devices would just be fancy gadgets with no access to the online world. At home, a router acts as a mini traffic controller, sending the internet signal to your devices through Wi-Fi. It takes the connection from your ISP and shares it with all your gadgets, so everyone in the family can be online at the same time. The router makes sure the data goes to the right device, whether you're in the living room or your bedroom.
Papa, how does my tablet talk to the internet?
We have a router that sends the internet signal through the air as Wi-Fi. The signal travels invisibly, reaching your tablet wherever you are in the house, so you can play games, watch videos, or do homework without any wires. Your tablet catches it. Just like that, you're connected. It's almost like magic, but it's really science and technology working together to keep you online.
Whether at home, school, or on the go, your device and connection are your gateway to the digital world. No matter where you are, as long as you have a device and a way to connect, you can explore, learn, and stay in touch with people everywhere. It's a simple setup for us, powered by some seriously cool science. The next time you go online, remember all the amazing technology working behind the scenes to keep you connected. When you send a message online, your device turns it into digital information, ones and zeros, then breaks it into packets. These packets travel from your device to your router, then out to the wider internet, each taking the fastest route.
But how do the packets know where to go?
Each packet has an IP address, like a digital house address. Routers read the address and pass the packet along until it reaches its destination.
When all the packets arrive, your friend's device reassembles them into your original message. All of this happens in less than a second. Your simple greeting just completed a lightning-fast journey across the globe. Isn't that amazing?
Every device on the internet has a unique IP address. Think of it as a digital postal address, making sure data knows exactly where to go. Whether it's your smartphone, laptop, or even a smart fridge, each one gets its own special number. This address is essential for sending and receiving information online, just like your home address is for mail. Routers act as the traffic cops of the internet, directing data packets to their destinations by reading these unique addresses. They make split-second decisions, ensuring that information travels the fastest and most efficient route possible, even across continents. There are tiny routers in our homes and massive backbone routers in data centers, all working together seamlessly. No matter the size, each router plays a crucial role in keeping the world's data flowing smoothly and reliably. When you visit a website, your device connects to a server, a powerful computer dedicated to storing, processing, and serving up web pages, images, and files. Servers are the backbone of the internet, handling millions of requests every second. For example, when you watch a video online, your device sends a request to a server. The server then breaks the video into small packets and sends them through a network of routers all the way to your unique IP address. Your device receives these packets, reassembles them in the correct order, and plays the video seamlessly. It's a team effort, server, router, and IP address all working together behind the scenes. This invisible collaboration is a beautiful symphony of technology, bringing the internet to life and connecting people, ideas, and information across the globe every second of every day.
Most internet data travels through fiber optic cables, bundles of glass strands under streets and oceans using pulses of light to send information at incredible speeds. At home, Wi-Fi uses radio waves to connect your devices wirelessly, while mobile data connects to cell towers for internet on the go. In remote places, satellites beam internet signals from space, connecting even the most distant locations. The internet connects us all, letting us communicate, learn, and be entertained no matter where we are. From ordering food to attending online classes, it's woven into our daily lives. Understanding this network of cables, radio waves, servers, and routers helps us appreciate the science behind our modern world. It's a true testament to human ingenuity.